Be. So again now. Go. Be.
No. Ah. Follow me. Ah.
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 Next. Next.
Eh.
What's the position of your mouth? Eh.
Eh.
Okay, next.
E.
E.
E like this. E.
Oh.
E. No.
Okay.
E. It's same like E.
Okay, how about this one? Letter O.
O.
What's the position of your mouth for letter O? It's like also letter O. Ah. Again.
O. O.
Okay, how about this one? Letter U.
O.
Like you are going to poo-poo, right?
Like this.
Go. There. Okay, see it now.
Big O.
Okay, go again. What is the sound?
E. E. O. O. A.
This one.
O.
Who this one?
O.
Yeah. Then this one.
O.
Oh.
O.
Okay. So again, what is this?
Ha.
Okay. So what is the middle sound?
E.
What is?
L. A.
Oh. Then why you write that one like that? Go.